Let me know down below what you think about the ND filter. That's probably the most important thing about this video. Let me know in the comments if you saw a difference, if you think it's worth it. What's up, guys? This is the Futile 85. More info below. This is a ND filter, but it's a sticker for the GoPro session. Oh no. And yeah, that might not really work. I should put some masking tape, but I'm in the middle of the forest, so I'm gonna fly this and probably lose it. And the paper is scratched right in the middle. Let me arrange that and we'll do a video. What's up, guys? Today we're going to test a ND filter on an Insta360 GO. We'll fly with and without. And I'll show you some tests that I've been trying out. Here I'm moving around the field of view, and you can see the TPU mount on the left side and the no TPU mount on the right side. So this is the mount. It uses a standard GoPro ND filter. There's a hole for the LED. Please don't judge the bad 3D print. I've changed TPU out of a PLA setting, and there's some mechanical things I didn't set on my 3D printer. Anyway, this is how it works. It's designed to be printed like this. So that's why there's no top section, because this creates a overhang, and I have some support material. So that's why it's easy to slide in. And the electric tape is not to hold the lens, is to prevent light leak from the sun to bounce and get behind. Because as you saw from the result, it was actually, there's some artifact, light reflection. We're still trying to figure that out. I recommend you go on the tiny Insta360 community on Facebook. It's a little group, and a lot of people are talking about this camera and building accessories and stuff like that. And things are moving fast regarding this. And there's a user called Peter who's building a lot of and testing a lot of ND filter, and we come up with the same conclusion where there's some light reflection coming out of the setup we're doing right now. And today he showed us another way of wrapping something like a film, ND filter film, over the lens. If you want to plan on buying one, I have my affiliate links down below in the description. That will give you a free gift, and I'll be able to get another one because I want to take it apart, like you probably know. Anyway, this is just the beginning of this little camera. There's so many things we can do, and people are having a lot of fun, and we're sharing a lot of ideas. That's awesome. So thank you very much for watching the video, and please let me know down below what you think about the ND filter. That's probably the most important thing about this video. Let me know in the comments if you saw a difference, if you think it's worth it, and what are the feature you want in this camera. So thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.